Here we have 180 grams of chickpeas and sweet corn, 2 tomatoes, half a cucumber and 200 grams of celery. We will first rinse 2 cups of quinoa until the water runs clear. This step removes any bitterness on the outside of the quinoa caused by naturally occurring saponins. Here you can see the water is still cloudy. After rinsing the quinoa several times, you can see the grains and the water is transparent. We are now going to cook the quinoa in 3 cups of previously boiled water. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Decrease the heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Cook until the quinoa has absorbed all of the water, about 15 minutes. Remove the heat, cover and let the quinoa rest for 5 minutes. Add it to the serving bowl and let it cool. Once the quinoa is mostly cool, stir it with a fork to avoid getting lumps. In a small saucepan, boil the chickpeas and the sweet corn for 2 minutes. For this video, I'm using tinned vegetables, but you could cook them at home previously. Combine the cucumber, tomatoes, chickpeas, celery and sweet corn. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or the juice of 1 lemon. Add salt and pepper to taste. Combine all ingredients. Cut the avocado into slices. If you are vegetarian or vegan, the salad is ready to eat. Otherwise, fry 300 grams of chicken breast cut into strips. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika, or if you live in Peru, sazonador sibarita. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano and salt and pepper to taste. One tablespoon of red vinegar. Then add the chicken. It's ready to eat!